Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am here with a traditional Kerala style sardine fish curry. Sardines are the cheapest and healthiest fish in India. They are rich in proteins, phosphorus, vitamin D, calcium and niacin. They help to control inflammation, blood sugar level and weight loss. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and several other vitamins and minerals. In South India, it is popularly known as Mathi and is a common lunch dish. I am sharing the spicy and authentic Mathi curry prepared in clay pot by grinding the soaked red chilies and other seasonings. So the clay pot is heating up. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Prefer to use coconut oil because the aroma the oil imparts is really exquisite. Now, since the oil is hot, let's add in 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic. Swirl around and saute for 1 minute until the raw smell goes off. The next ingredient that goes in is 12 to 15 chopped shallots. Saute for another 1 minute until the shallots turn soft. While this is happening, add 3 slitted green chilies. Next, let's add some curry leaves to enhance the flavor. Continue to saute all the ingredients until the shallots change the color to light brown. Once the shallots turn soft and brown, add 1 chopped tomato. Cook the tomato for 4 to 5 minutes until they turn soft and mushy. Add enough salt as per your taste. While the tomatoes are cooking, we'll grind the spices. I have soaked almost 10 dry red chilies in water for almost 30 minutes. Now I'm going to grind them by removing the stem. Also goes in a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of fish masala. I'm using Nirapara. And a quarter cup of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Now the seasoning is ready. Now the tomatoes are well cooked. Let's add in the grinded paste. Remove the leftover spices from the grinder by adding some water. Stir and cook the spices in medium flame until the raw smell completely goes off. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next goes in 3 pieces of dried cambodge soaked in water. It is well known as kudampuli. After 5 minutes, pour 1.5 cups of water. Simmer and cook in medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes until the oil separates. The oil has started to separate. Now let's add in the fish. The ingredients mentioned are for 1 kilogram sardine. After adding the fish, avoid mixing the curry. Instead, swirl the pot around to cover the fish with the gravy. Allow to simmer in medium flame until the fish is completely cooked. The spicy and traditional Mathi curry of Kerala is ready to serve. This curry is mostly enjoyed with hot rice and steamed tapioca. The fish would taste great the next day if left overnight in gravy. So hope you all enjoyed the making along with me. If so, please don't forget to sub, like and share. If you wish to watch more from us, please do turn on the notification. Thank you for watching.